All right, so we are already here in the Nike factory store. So it's time to put on the work since we did our scouting yesterday and today. I already talked to one of the representative that they're having a only 20% off discount on the back wall. Well, it's still okay since discount is a discount. 20% is not bad at all. I didn't got the full information, but I think there is also an additional discount on the grade school. But with that, hope you like this video, and with that said, let's do this. So going directly to the men's section, we are here in the clearance wall or back wall, and as you can see, no sign of additional discount of 20% or 30%. So I might gonna pass on this men's section and go to the kids section. I think they have additional discount there. So we have here the Nike Air Max 270 grade school, $59.97 with a 20 Nike free run. And how about this one, Nike Zoom double stack, 120. Wow, look at those double stack, no additional discount. See you there, 20% of discount. Look at this price, the Hassel cleats, and they have it for $9.97 with additional 20%. So wow, not bad for this price. We got the Nike Presto React Extreme, $44.97 with the 20%. And this might be going to take home. And look at this one, Downshifter Rebel, $39.97. Revolution, $29.97 with the 20. Well, how about this one, Epic React Planet 2 Grade School, $89.97 with the 20% off. We got the Nike Aqua Rift, $84. This is kind of something different kind of sneaker, but this one is kind of popular somewhere around Asia with that toe right there. Yep. And there we go. Okay, bag is secured. So we got here about 5 pairs. This is the only good fans that I could flip. Unfortunately, men's, they don't have any sale additional discount on men's, so they only have sale additional 20% on grade school, and clothings there are only also 20% off. But anyway, it's still a good deal. I found a Nike Air Max 270 React grade school. I focuses on size 7 and size 6.5. And we have here a nice, very comfortable shoe, triple black with the 270 React, and the flip. The price where they are reselling on this one is somewhere around 75 to 80, pushing out to 85. So after the discount, $59.97 minus the 20%, so somewhere around 48, 49 ish. So probably I'm getting at least 30 to 35% return of investment on this one, pushing this one, taking at least minimum of 30%, and I'm gonna push this around 2, maximum of 1 month. It's since the comps not bad at all. There are about 50 listing, then they are sold about 30 pairs for 90 days. So that is what I always do. So this is the hardest part in reselling of the sneaker. It's not always that you can find something really, really good every week or every day or every weekend, because they don't do restock. that often. But anyway, since I got a good finds here, it's not that a lot. So that's it. I hope you like this video and I hope you learn one or two. And if you like this video, can you please leave a comment down below? Also, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And with that said, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye.